This napkin fold is called Lady Windemere's fan. And you're going to start with your napkin seam side up. You're going to fold it in half. And then you're going to twist it. And you can start at either end. And you're going to accordion it. So you're going to do this upon itself, making sure you grab it at the bottom every time. And you can stop when you have about an inch or two at the top. Then you're going to grab it and fold it in half. Just like that. And you're going to take this end, this corner end, and tuck it inside the rest of it. All the way in there. So you took this end and you tucked it inside. And then you're going to twist it so that that's down on the table. And you're going to drop it. And that's Lady Windemere's fan.